Hello, this is James Kosaba from the Project Administration Group, and today we're going to talk about how to add project categories to a cost estimate in AWP project. So as always, we want to determine that we're in the correct role, and the proper role for folks in design is the CTDOT estimation role. So I'm going to click that. Load. Okay, so from the screen, we want to click the projects link, locate the project that we want to add or modify categories on. So for this particular test, we're going to use this project here. And click on that, let it load. Navigate to the cost estimate. So we come up to the top, click on cost estimate. Once this page loads, I'm going to click on the tab on the left, cost estimates. Click here. Click our previously created cost estimate. Click on it here. And then we want to navigate to the categories tab here. So we'll click on the categories tab. And then we want to add our categories as funding sources. So our first category, I'm going to add as an example, should be 0001. And if we have 80% federal funding and 20% state funding, that's the description we want to use. And we can come in here and save that. And if we have a secondary category such as state funding, I want to add category 0002. If it's half Fed, half state. It's the code, the description we use for this category. We'll save it. And as another example, we'll create one more. Third category for 100% state funded. That's the description. Save that. And last but not least, one final category is our non-contract item category. And we'll save that. The non-contract item category only needs to be added if the cost estimate does in fact have non-contract items. So those items need to be identified with this category 8888. And within the cost estimate, you only need to have the categories that are related to your funding sources. So if you have only one funding source on your project and it's 80/20, you only need this first category, 0001. And if there are non-contract items also in the cost estimate, you'll need 888. So that particular cost estimate will only have two categories assigned to it. And if modifications need to be made to any of these categories, you can come in here and click these carrots, open those up, and the modifications can be made at any time. Deleting particular categories can also be done on the left-hand side with these action arrows, and we can go ahead and delete a category. And we can do that by selecting delete and save. Thank you for watching, and that was how we add, modify, and delete project cost estimate categories. Thank you for watching. This is James Kosaba from the Project Administration Group.